Hey guys, so thought I'd do a quick little video saying a couple of reasons why I love affiliate marketing and why you guys should get into it in 2020. Now I've more or less just started. Now, is this a overnight millionaire business? Far from it. But you have to get started sometime. But I'll give you a couple of reasons why I love it. Now, as you can see here, this is an ebook, okay? Now, I was looking on YouTube and things to do as an affiliate marketer, and one of them was ask the company if you can have a free sample of whatever the product is. Okay. Now I probably can't. I don't want to give you the actual name of this because I'm probably not allowed to do that. But it's totally legit. This is a ebook on survival. It is over 1,000 pages long. Okay. So what I did was, I wanted to review this survival book because I've got a website that I review products, services on, and so I thought, okay, let's see if I can get a free sample. I'd never tried it. Okay, so I sent these people an email. I said, could I have a free ebook to do a review? And they said, okay, can you tell us what your website is? And I told them, yes, I'll be doing the reviews on YouTube and on my website, which is basically a blog for reviews. So they obviously checked it out, and they sent me an email saying, here's the book. And I got the book totally free, guys. And I've since done a review on this book. So, there's one reason. You can get free. Just ask the company if you can have a free product, whatever it is. Obviously, it's better if it's a digital product. In this case, it's a digital product. But now, the other reason is, once you have set things up and done articles and done reviews and promoted an affiliate product, you can receive an affiliate commission basically forevermore, as long as that your article, your video, whatever is up on the internet. Okay. I first started doing affiliate marketing about 6 months ago. But I wasn't really committed to it. I wasn't, I wasn't sort of really, I was doing it half-heartedly. But I love this particular product because it's good for your health, etc. So I got the affiliate links off the company, and then I think it was a video. Unfortunately, I didn't get the tracking of where I actually got the sale from. But I got a commission, but I do know that the articles, video, whatever blog that I put up about this particular health product, I must have put it up about 6 months ago. Okay? Now, since then, probably for about 3 months now, I've been putting more effort into this. But this is another reason why I love affiliate marketing. You can, once you've done what you need to do, put a video up about the product, or write an article about it, do a review about it, it's up there pretty much forever. And whoever clicks on your affiliate link, it can be tomorrow, it can be in 10 years time, and when one person clicks on it and they buy it, your affiliate link is still up there. The affiliate link doesn't disappear after one person has bought it. Another person can come along the next day and buy the same product, or not the, obviously, the product. A person can come along in 2 weeks' time and buy the product. Another person can come along the day after that and maybe buy double lots of the product. A person can come along, and so you get the picture. I'll just show you evidence of this particular product that I sold. Affiliate marketing is totally legit. It absolutely works. You do have to put effort into it though. But once you put that initial effort into it, it can start paying you 5 minutes after you put up the promotion that you're doing. It can pay you 1 week later, 2 weeks later. It's who knows. But I'll just show you. I put this particular thing up, and then I'll show you my PayPal payment. Okay. I'll show you my PayPal payment here. This is it. Okay. So you see that? I got a 30. It's in Russian there because the product that I'm promoting is actually in Russia. Their store is in Russia. Now, $33.75 I got. That's American. So in New Zealand dollars, that's about $50. And obviously, PayPal took their little fee of whatever, just about probably, I don't know, $1.50 or something. So there you go, guys. Our footage show you it's legit. And like I say, I put this article up about this particular product probably 6 months ago. And here it is, a payment 6 months later. And that particular affiliate link is going to stay up there forevermore. So I could get another one of these tomorrow. I could get another one of these payments in 2 weeks. I could get another one of these payments in 2 years. So what you got to think, guys, about is, and I don't have many links. I'm starting to get up there with far as affiliate links, putting it out there. But okay, imagine, guys, if you put so many links out there with so many, and they have to be good products. You can pretty much say that if you've got enough links out there, you'll get payments like this. If you've got enough links out there, if you've done the work up front in the beginning, you could say it is very possible to get this every day, every minute, every hour. It's up to you. But I thought I'd show you that it's absolutely legit, guys. So, get into it in 2020, okay? That's about all I can say, really. So you can get your payments anytime. Today, tomorrow, next year, 10 years time, 20 years time, okay? And, what's this one? And don't forget, guys, if I can, I'll just show you this free ebook. So when you go for your affiliate links, ask them if you can have a free copy of the, I'll just show you this. So there you go, guys. Over 1,000 pages, this free survival book I got, okay? And so that's 2 reasons why I like affiliate marketing, and you guys should get into it in 2020. Make a start. You have to start somewhere. I've got another payment due to me. I'm just sorting that out, which is a bigger payment. When I've sorted that out, I'll show you that too. But guys, if you don't do anything, nothing is going to happen, okay? So make a start. That's all you have to do. The most important thing is to make a start. Now, are you going to become a overnight millionaire? No. And okay, if you don't like being on, putting your face on YouTube, my channels, as far as I can remember, my face is not on any of my. I think there might be one or two. I can't remember, but my face is not on my YouTube videos that promote these products. Okay. And what I would say is, guys, get a website. You can get a free website, guys. Go to a website called Wealthy Affiliate or wealthyaffiliate.com. You will also, if you get a paid website, guys, which I've got a paid website. Now here's another hint, guys. If you get a website, whatever you do, if you get a website, if you're promoting a product, get the affiliate link. Okay, so I decided to go with Get Response, the how you know, so you got a website, and then a little thing pops up and asks for people's emails. It's called an email marketing software. You'll need that if you're going to get a, well, you don't absolutely need that, but if you want to collect people's emails and then you can, do upsells and keep in touch with them, etc., you will. I will put a link to Get Response, which I'm with, and guys, like I've told you, I am an affiliate partner with Get Response. And I'm also a partner with Wealthy Affiliate. So guys, you can go to Wealthy Affiliate, right? Sign up. You get 2 free, okay? 2 free, absolutely free websites. And I will put a link for Wealthy, or it's either Wealth Affiliate or Wealthy Affiliate. I'll put a link below. I'll put that link below as well. And guys, if you're going with a website, a paid website, I went with Bluehost, okay? Now look, I didn't just run out there and sign up with anybody, okay? I still have an extremely tight budget, okay? There wouldn't be many people out there that have a tighter budget than me. But difference between them and me is I'm doing it, okay? And I'm going to continue to do it, okay? That's the difference. So, it's up to you guys. For 2020, do you want to be just someone that looks at what other people are doing, or do you want to do it yourself? And that's the difference. So I will put a link for Bluehost. Why did I choose Bluehost? Because overall, and I looked far and wide. Overall, Bluehost, the website, and they share with WordPress. So when you get Bluehost website, you also get WordPress. Bluehost hosts your website, okay? WordPress website. WordPress is simple, easy as to use, and it's fun too, guys. So I'll put a link for Bluehost. I think you can get. What I do, guys, is if you're going to get a paid website like Bluehost, wait to something like Christmas or some big event like Black Friday, especially. I got mine. I got Get Response. I think it was Get Response on the last Black Friday we had, because they had a good special on it. Okay, so I did that. So if you're going to get anything that you have to pay for, like Bluehost, wait until they have a sale, and they have a lot of discount sales. Okay, but I will put. Now I'm an affiliate partner for Bluehost. I'm affiliate partner for Wealthy Affiliate. .com. I'm an affiliate partner for GetResponse, okay? But I will put a link for those 3 in the link below. All I can say, guys, you might think this is nothing, okay? It's $33. But that's up to your effort. Like I said, you can make this $33 to $75, scale it. So I put maybe one article or one video about this. So make 20, 30, 40 videos, just even short 5-second videos advertising the product. Put those out there, and it is very possible to be getting this every day, maybe every hour, maybe every minute. That's up to you, okay? And don't forget, guys, I put a link below, and don't forget, guys, 2 things. Anything you buy online, if you get a website, if you get a mail marketing software, get their affiliate link, okay? So, because if you bought it, that means somebody else will buy it, okay? Okay. Hopefully that's a help, and to me, this is, when I got this, and I've had, I've got another one pending. I'm just sorting that out, and that's bigger than this. You think this is, what are you going on about? That's nothing. To me, it's, once I got, that's the other thing, once you you find out that affiliate marketing actually works, then you're just ready to go, you're more motivated, etc. And guys, I understand if you've got a full-time job. Look, if you've got a full-time job, just start off slow by putting a couple of links out there. While you're watching TV at night or whatever, put links out there. Sit down, watch TV, or listen to the TV, or whatever you want to do, and put links out there. And I've got, I don't know how old you guys are when but no matter what your age are, if you're thinking about saving for retirement, guys, this is a good retirement scheme, because you put your links out there, okay? And okay, say you're 30 now, and you put links out there every day. How many links are you going to have out on the internet by the time you're 65 or retirement age? Think about it, guys. It's just, it's a no-brainer as far as I'm concerned. So many reasons to get into affiliate marketing, guys. You just have to start. Cheers.